Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall or delete almost any app, any useless app on your Windows device. First, you need to go to bcuninstaller.com, download an OSDN. This is the bulk crap uninstaller, and there is a portable version which is very useful if you are planning to use it once. Go there and download it. So it's started downloading. Let me show you. I already downloaded it and installed it and used it, and it works like a charm. I'm gonna download it once again for you guys to understand how it is downloaded. Well, this is seriously gonna take some time to download, so how about I skip it for you guys. Okay, now it is completely downloaded. Let's go ahead and show in a folder. Let's extract it right here. Now let's go ahead and open it up. This is it. This is gonna take some time. The first time it takes some time. It is gathering all the information that it needs. Let's continue the setup process. We all need the defaults. We're not gonna use it, much. We're gonna use it the first time only. Okay, here we go. Let me just turn this, close it off. As you can see, these are all the apps that you can uninstall. Also, these are also rated by stars. The 1 stars are literally useless. This is the Cortana which I don't use anymore. Let me uninstall it. You can also press Ctrl and select many apps as you want. Let me show you. The 5 star ones are the essential Microsoft apps in your Windows device, which are very useful, but the red star ones are useless most of the time. Here I'm gonna select all of those which I'm not gonna use and are useless to me. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to scan the whole thing. Nope, there's all of those. Well, I need a better dive there. And we're gonna press uninstall quietly, which is very nice because it's gonna uninstall all of them at once. Let's continue it and see. Okay, these are some processes that are running in the background. I'm gonna have to kill all of them. Here we go. Let's continue it. Continue once, and it's showing me how much space I'm gonna save. It's about half a GB. Anyway, this maximizes my PC's potential and is very nice for my PC's smooth working. So I recommend it. As you can see, it's gonna check for leftovers. So let's allow that. And here we go. This is the way and this is the way. It's opened again, but I'm not gonna use it again. This is how you can uninstall almost all the apps that you want to uninstall. Sometimes Windows don't allow you to uninstall some apps which are binary apps. And that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.